Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are back in Rollercoin. We're going to be checking out how the account has changed. I got a payment proof for you, and also we're going to be discussing what could be the surprise that Rollercoin had for us. Keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are in my Rollercoin account, and it has been a week or so since the last time we were in here, so quite a lot has happened. Also, like I said in the intro, we have got this thing that has appeared on Facebook that Rollercoin recently posted. A lot of people are guessing at, and I'm going to take my guess in this video later, so keep watching. Okay, so before we get into that, let's check out the numbers. So in the last video, our power was at 8.293 petahashes. You can see we're now at 8.47. So that has been quite a jump. And how that has happened is simply that we have purchased a lot of these little miners. Now in the last video, in this third room, the only miner we had was this one El Monstro, and now we have 13 Chupacabras. Now I did mention that since RLT had become available for us to mine, that with the power I had at the time, I was able to buy one of these miners about every couple of days or so. And this is what you can see here. So with those 13 Chupacabras, we've actually added 182,000 gigahashes or 182 terahashes, depending on how you want to say it. So for me, obviously, I will keep sort of pursuing this, and hopefully as things start building and we get more power, that the rate I can buy miners will obviously speed up. And if obviously I see that my RLT is building pretty rapidly, I'll probably start waiting and allowing my RLT to build up enough to start buying the El Monstros instead of just the Chupacabras. So that essentially is my plan going forward with the account. And for those of you that are not familiar with what Rollercoin is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now, if you check that out, that's going to give you more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to build up your accounts and earn those free coins. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So as I mentioned, Rollercoin has put this post on Facebook, and basically what they have put is a picture showing this. So what is green and what is popping? Now a lot of people are guessing at what this could possibly be. They've also made the point of saying that we have to wait until March the 17th. Now that is tomorrow. So if we go onto Facebook, you can see this is the post, and a lot of people have guessed. Some people are talking about a new game, other people are talking about a spring event, some other people are just paying compliments to Rollercoin for being a good platform. Blah 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 blah. I think someone somewhere said they were scared. But for me, I think the one thing that hasn't been mentioned, which is what I think it is, and if we think about all of the events, especially recent promotions that Rollercoin have, they seem to really like doing something special for these various holidays or celebrations that we have around the world, such as Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Christmas. All of these things they seem to like to do something special. And this is where the angle that I'm coming from is what is green? Think about this. What is green and happens on March the 17th every single year in Ireland? Now, I believe this is going to be connected to St. Patrick's Day. So we could possibly end up with a St. Patrick's Day theme in our rooms, and possibly a St. Patrick's Day themed sale, giveaway, or even promotional miner. I mean, we've had promotional miners for Halloween, we had promotional miners for Christmas. Admittedly, we didn't have one for Valentine's, but are they possibly going to be doing something along those lines of a promotional miner, leprechaun miner, shamrock miner? I don't know. And as for the green and what's popping, I don't know. The what's popping, that's kind of thrown me a bit. But I think it is something to do with St. Patrick's Day. And obviously, at the end of the day, we only have to wait, 12 hours or so. And I guess we'll find out. So, I mean, we've got the rest of the day. Why don't you put your thoughts and ideas below this post as to what you think is green and what you think is popping? And if there is a big sale coming, make sure you got those RLTs in your account ready and waiting. If we go into my power, so most of my power is going into RLT, but I actually have put a small amount into Doge, which is only 5%, but obviously because I keep adding more miners, the amount of power, which is obviously still only going to be 5%, but the amount of power going into Doge is going to increase as I purchase more miners, same as the amount of power going into Rollercoin will increase also. So basically, I am building and still making withdrawals of Doge now and again once I build up enough, which I have got a payment proof for you on that as well, and we'll go and check that out right now. Okay, so if we go into wallets and then we go into Doge and history, here you can see that on the 8th of March, I withdrew 539 Doge. And if you look over to the left-hand side of the screen, you can see that is a shot of my mobile wallet. You can see that the withdrawal landed in that wallet on the 9th of March. So basically less than 24 hours. And we got our 539 Doge. So as I always say with these programs, as long as they are paying, that is the main thing. And obviously they are paying very quickly, less than a day. So that is all good and obviously exactly what we want. So if you are interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.